Hello everyone and welcome back. Are you looking for a fitness app that actually gets you? Then let me tell you about Zing AI. Zing AI is a smart workout app that uses artificial intelligence to build custom training plans just for you. Think of it like having a personal trainer in your pocket, but way cheaper. Here's what makes it special. The app scans your body using your phone's camera to figure out your body fat and muscle mass. Then it creates workouts based on your goals, whether that's losing weight, building muscle, or just getting fitter. The coolest part, Zing Vision watches you work out through your camera and tells you if your form is wrong. It's like having someone there making sure you don't hurt yourself. Plus, it adjusts your workouts based on how tired you are and which muscles need rest. The app has over 500 exercises with video guides, so you'll never get bored. You can work out at home or at the gym, and the sessions can be as short as 7 minutes if you're busy. Now, the downsides. Some users complain about getting charged unexpectedly after the free trial ends, which is pretty annoying. The app costs about $20 a month or $60 a year. Some features like the body scan and meal plans cost extra, which feels a bit greedy. Also, if you have a special health need, the app only has 3 basic options, so if you have something like vertigo or specific injuries, it might not be perfect for you. Reviews are mixed. On the App Store, it gets 4.8 stars, but the Google Play has 3.9, and people on other sites have lots of billing complaints. When it works, people love it and see real results, but customer service can be slow to fix problems. So, is Zing AI worth it? If you want a smart, flexible workout app and don't mind paying monthly, it's pretty solid. The AI really does adapt to your progress and keeps things interesting. Just watch out for those sneaky charges and read the fine print carefully before signing up to avoid any billing surprises. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.